on a topic time and money. I am in favor of time. So time is very important in our life. Time is a vital substance in our life. Now we can do any work with the help of time, and we achieve whatever we want in our life.
Money is most important in our life. We can't survive our life without money, because we was born. We have lots of dream. Without money, we can't fulfill our dream, and without money, we can't afford our education.
With the help of time, now we can achieve our goals and fulfill dreams to the utmost satisfaction, and we can also contribute to the development of our society and country.
If we have money, we automatically save our time. In our 1 day 24 hours, we earn money 10 to 5 hours, 10 to 5 o'clock. After that, we have lots of time at night, at evening. At evening, you know very well who is Rihanna, who has come to in India because of only money. He gives whole night because of money. Because Mukesh Ambani's son pre-wedding, he gives us 75 crore. That's what
we should save our time so that we can use it in an effective way and achieve whatever we want in our life. If we save our time and we can use it properly, then we can do anything, whatever we want in our life.
Nowadays everyone born a luxury life. We are sit here to learn English. Why we are learn English? Because we have desire. And why we have desire? Because we know what is our money. Everyone do a work of yourself because of our money. Who don't have a time? You go to a cities, you go to a villages area, they have lots of time, but they don't have money. And if we have free time, then automatic खाली दिमाग शैतान का होता है. Automatic we have doing our crime works.
Money is most important, I know, but time is significant for our life. If money is become good our life, so time is managing our life. We can't imagine our life without time. We can't do anything without time. Just because of time, we manage our routine, schedule, everything we manage with the help of time.
We are born. If we have lots of time at a age of 18 or 20, at a age of 20 years, we have lots of time. If we don't have our money, how we take our admission of our schools? How we take admission of our colleges? How we take our food? How we take our food? Without money, we can't survive our life. With our help of money, we automatically save our time. In our age of 20, we have lots of time. After 20 years, we know that what is the money. On that time, we actually realize that money is a most important of our time. You go to anywhere, everyone do work with yourself because of our money.
Time is more valuable than money, and pupils should manage their time properly. If money lost, we can earn again easily, but if time lost, we can't stop the flow of time in our life. That's why everyone should use it wisely.
If we don't have our money and we have a lots of time, then doctor treat you without take our money. Never, because doctor also learn and doctor also do degree of MBBS because of our money. They know that very well which side are lots of money. Doctor also take a charge of 1,000 and 2,000. Then doctor treats you. If you go to any doctor and say that I am suffering from of that disease, doctor said that go to a government hospital. I never see you. I never give you a treatment because of our money.
This is one of the most important, valuable and precious thing in the world. Time. Just because of time, we manage our schedule. What time we should wake up, what time we should take our lunch, breakfast, everything. What time we should go to our coaching classes, attend meeting, everything. everything we manage with the help of time.
If we don't have our money, then coaching institute director take our admission in our institute. I don't have a money. I go to any colleges and I take our college director and dean take my admission in a colleges. Why they take a college? Because they make a building of a college because of our money. And everyone wants nowadays air is also buy with our money, because everyone wants a AC, cooler, pankha. Without money we can't survive our life. Without money we can't live our life.
We don't realize the importance of time, but one day we must regret why did we waste our time. Intelligent people never waste their time because they know what is importance of time. They use it to do something constructive and something creative, because they know if once the time has gone, time will never come. It gone forever.
Was born. Every parents are thinking that if in our one house there are 2 or 3 girls, everyone know that. I know no one accept this, but every father and every family member, they are save our money, because they know that what is the money, because they know that in our age of 20 or 22 how we do a marriage of that girl, because nowadays boys take a dowry like a 25 lakh 27 lakh. Without money we can't marriage, we can't afford anything. We know that बन जाते हैं लाखों रिश्ते जब पैसा पास होता है, टूट जाता है गरीबी में वो रिश्ता जब गरीबी पास होती है.
I wanna share a thought. Time and tide waits for none. It runs continuously without any stoppage, without any break. Time don't need any type of break. Don't need any type of rest. It has many qualities. It has many capacity to do any work in any time.
We put your clothes. Without money we take a food. Without money we take a clothes. Without money we stand here. Without money we see our time. If we don't have a watch, we can't see our time, because we know that if we have money, then we buy our one watch and we see our watch time. We see our timing in our watch. That's why money is our most important, because money is also money. With the help of money we see our time. Without money we never see our time. Everyone have a desire going.
Okay. So if you go to any company, okay, for join the job, so if you don't have time and if you have lots of money, so can you do anything and can he join you? Time gives us lots of opportunity, but we don't take serious, and after some time we feel regret that why did we waste our time? Why did we waste our time in useless things? And at that time, no one can do anything because we didn't take serious. And time will be time. Time is unique. Nobody can do anything without time.
If we have money now, automatic we do anything. Guys, I'm only standing here to ask one question: why we are learn English? Why we are sit here if we don't want our money? Because we have lots of time. That's why we have learned English. Earn money. Everyone want us to earn money. That's why we learn English. We automatically save our time with our help of our money. We buy.
Okay, so guys, both things are important of our life, but life is too short, and we don't know what we'll do in our next moment. But and we know how much money is balanced with us, but we don't know how much time is balanced with us. And time is continuous, and it runs always it always runs forward.